Even for any high-tech enterprise, employees' efforts are starting points for product manufacturing, company development, and social contribution activities of the company. However, if safety is compromised, human life or injury happens, these kinds of activities will be hit hard. The impact of these accidents is enormous even on a monetary side. So, I decided to introduce that problem of it with this table. Especially when we will think about fact that absolutely never return again for those who died in the accident. Business managers of a company should emphasize safety first, and advance various measures to ensure safety. The method by which your company personnel advance a safety education of employees is one of a safety measure law. However, before this measure there is a requirement that they should proceed. Please look at this figure. If you will be going to take safety measures, the first thing you must do is to eliminate all causes of injuries. When you will proceed with this countermeasure, the teaching that smoke never appears in places without fire seed should be useful. The first thing you need to do in the practice of safety measures is to have clear solutions to extremely primitive questions of why a personal injury occurs. Please look at this figure. You will catch soon that accidents occur in contact with energy. Then, you will choose the first measure of safety measures to see the dangerous zone check and countermeasures by the company administrator actually observing the workplace. I believe accidents may happen even though companies and others are eradicating the cause of a personal injury. So, we would like to explore its main organizational causes. When there are not enough conditions, the cause of a personal injury sometimes will reduce an occurrence probability. For this reason, on the contrary, the probability of occurrence increases when a person ignores this factor in a group. Drunk driving is an example. Drinking and driving is prohibited in any country. However, there are people who violate by not being able to happen to themselves. This situation is due to people like the lower left of this figure. Strangely, those who committed violations of this sort think that they will never get an accident. The case in the figure is an accident that occurred at the shipbuilding workplace. This company decided how to install a bridge where many people moved to ensure safety. However, at this time, they took an easy method. In addition, a fall accident happened because a person got over the load capacity of the bolt that fixed the bridge. The reason was that a safety manager neglected safety first thinking and neglected the handling of strength calculation of bolt. Safety managers of this company were carrying out this kind of violation until this accident in this company, but only because there were few accidents due to the small number of people. Indeed, this accident is a representative example of cases where repetition of pseudo-criminal act caused a major accident. Safety officials named Lingermann effects to this type of safety management method. If your company simply decides the responsibility for safety measures and gathers the number of many people, safety will decline. For this reason, your company should distribute safety measures items to individual administrators and promote reliable performance.